All right, so I just got home from work. We're gonna see what happened here with the tree that blew down in the winds that we've had here today in Taylor. So let's take a look and see what we got. So we got a mess. So yeah, I'm gutsy and stupid both. I think I'll just walk underneath it. I don't think it's gonna fall when I walk underneath it. Not a small tree. So there's a lot of lights and stuff out today. I'm gonna trip all over it. It's up in the power lines. Been trying to get them to cut this treatise down for 20 years since the green storm. So it snapped her right off here at the bottom. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. I'm gonna pull the ground all up and stuff. I'm surprised it didn't pull none of the power off. Alright, so that's what happened here in Taylor with the windstorm. Oh well, we'll worry about it later.